Good day, everyone. Today we're going to study Unit 45 of Korean Grammar for Speaking. Let's check it out. 보다, 보다, 해보다. Please memorize these three. 보다, 보다, and 해보다. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing 보다 and all, and there is 해. So every time we have this kind of grammar, nothing and all and 해, you know how to conjugate it already if you have studied with me with this book, Unit 11, right? What was Unit 11? That one was present tense polite. So we want to practice and study polite first because I want you to be a nice person when you actually speak Korean. Okay, so this means try. Like I said, this works just like the unit 11 here, right? So you know already conjugate. You know how to conjugate it politely. All right. 보다, 보다, 해보다. Again. So this means try, and let's check out some words with. So without bottom letters, 가다, for example. 가다. Because there is no bottom letter, of course, we have to just use 보다. So 가, 보다, which means try going somewhere, right? And next word, 타다, 보다. Take for transportation, right? 타, 보다. Try, take something. Try taking on something, right? And 하다, obviously, 하다 becomes 해. So 해보다. That's it, right? But today, we've been studying a word plus grammar, and just make something like polite, right? 먹다, 먹어요, or 먹다, 고 싶다, and 어요, 먹고 싶어요. I want to eat, right? But this time, I want to try eating. I will try eating. I will try. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna try something. I have to try something like this. So you can make a lot of sentences with this one grammar and with the grammar points that we have been studying. So let's see. First, 가다. 가보다. That's just not it, right? Because there's still 다 exist at the end of the sentence. So we want to take this 다 out and make it polite. 가보다. And this 보다 was irregular in polite present tense, right? So 가봐요. 가봐요. Right? And if you remember how this present tense polite worked, then this will be really useful. Like one, the present tense was used as something you usually do. I do something. I exercise. I study every day. Something that you usually do, right? And number two was let's do something. Let's go. Let's eat. Let's drink, right? And three, what you are doing now. I am studying. I am teaching. I am learning. I am working out. Stuff like that, right? And number four, the last one, I did not mention about this when we were studying Unit 11, but now I'm doing. Sorry about that. So number four of use of this present tense polite is please do it. So in one grammar that we studied, Unit 11, We can use that one grammar in 4 different situations. Alright, I'm explaining this because now it's time for you to use them. So, 가다, 보다. Alright, present tense polite. 가봐요, right? So, 가봐요, it can be used as please do it. Depending on the situation, depending on the context, right? So, 가봐요 could be try going there, try there, right? Mhm. Alright, so whenever you use a word plus this 봐요, that means try to do something, try it in English, right? So, 타다, 타다, 봐요. 타봐요. Try to take on that transportation, right? 하다, 해봐요. Try it. So in English, you wouldn't say try to go there, try to eat this, try to drink that. You say try this, try there, try this drink, right? So you want to understand like that way. All right. That's the number one. 가다, 가봐요. Just like that. 가다, 보다, 아요. So this first one, 가다, it's just normal, simple words, right? Just go. And this 보다 is try part. 가다 is word, and 보다 is try. And 아요 is polite, present tense polite, but like I said, it has 4 different meanings. And the last one that I explained was please do it. So go, try, please do it. They all got combined. That means try, go there. Try there. 가봐요. And if you change the word here, for example, 마시다, to drink, right? 마시다, 보다, 아요. How does it change? Please type here. Perfect, Sarika. 마시다, 보다, 아요. It all became 마셔봐요. That means please try to drink something. But to speak that in natural English, you just say, oh, try this, right? But in Korean, we say, try to drink this. Okay, 마셔봐요. Perfect. How about we change this 가다 part again to 읽다, which is to read. Perfect. 읽어봐요. Like that. Perfect. Good. Wancher, Una, Nikki. Try to read this. So we have this book right here. Oh, this book is really good. Try it. You would say that in English, but in Korean, we would say, oh, try to read it. Ellie, 읽어봐요, because 읽 has a bottom there. Right. How about this word? 만지다, to touch. Try to touch me, like that. All right, Sarika, I'm gonna take your question later. Okay. Perfect. Wanter, 만져봐요. SR, 만져봐요. Perfect. Or one more thing. That's because this "ayo" part, it has 4 different meanings depending on the context and situations. We can use it as let's do it. Let's try to touch it. Let's try to drink it. It could be, depending on the situation. All right, next one. We want to go with this tada word. Tada is to take for transportation. So this English translation is kind of weird, right? But remember that this book is designed to study Korean, not to study English. I just wrote that because I just wanted you to understand what this means, all right? Okay, next one. 타다 here. And 보다 here, this is what we're studying now, right? 타다, 보다. 보다 is try here. So 타다, 보다. And we want to add 고 싶다 this time, which was want to. So take plus try plus want to. I want to try to take, right? Becomes like that. And we have oh my god, look at this. We have 3 grammar in one sentence with 1 word. So the rule is very simple. As I made this all like red lightened word character, you just get rid of that. Because we never need 다 to conjugate. 타, 보고 싶어요. So 타보고 싶어요. Magic, right? So this means I want to try to take something. Like if you want to add bus, like 버스를 타보고 싶어요. I want to try to be on the bus. I want, it's weird, right? But I want to experience the bus. You can tell. Hoverboard, right? 호버보드를 타보고 싶어요. Perfect. So for me, 헬리콥터를 타보고 싶어요. I want to try helicopter. So you can wonder, when you combine the grammar, the conjugation comes at the end. What do you mean? The conjugation is everywhere, like 타다, 보다, 고 싶다. One. Alright, Sarika. 낙타를 가보고 싶어요? I wanna try going. Now, you wanna, that's the typo, I guess. 저도 타보고 싶어요. 스노보드를 타보고 싶어요. Perfect. 제트보트를 타보고 싶어요. Oh my god, you guys have a lot of ideas today, huh? What's wrong? Right. So you don't have to only use this tada word for this, right? It's like, for example, let's switch this tada to 가다. How would you say that? I want to try going there. 가다. 가보고 싶어요. Right. I want to try to see what's there. This means like that, right? So you might want to use this a lot, like 가보고 싶어요. Or as a question, like, hey, do you want to try going there? Okay. So be creative. Put any words right here before 보다. Okay. Alright, next one. 하다. 하다, this whole 하다 becomes what? 해. Nice, white piece. 경주에 가보고 싶어요. Alright. Right, Ellie. 하다 becomes 해. So we need 해보다. And finally, Sarika, here's your question. 세요. This seyo we have not studied in this book yet, but we will soon. So, seyo is used whenever you want to say, do it. Right? So what's the difference between just ayo and seyo, these two? This ayo was, like I said, it could be used as like, please do it, right? And this seyo is also, please do it, right? But there is difference, right? seyo is stronger than ayo. So seyo is like forceful. You're forcing someone. Hey, go. Hey, drink. Hey, stop. But you want to be polite even though you're angry, right? So, hey, please stop. Please go. Please go away, like that. Okay? So, just compelling to do it, I don't think so. Just remember, seyo is stronger than ayo. That's my solution. Okay? Alright. Like a soft comment, right? That's better. And 세요 is a strong comment. Alright, so 하다, 보다. Let's use this one. 해보다, right? And 세요. We all get combined. 해보세요. Try it. Because 하다 means do, right? Try to do it. Which means, hey, try it. But if you want to change this 하다, oh my, to like any word that you want to say, that you want to add. Perfect. Hunter. 운동하다. We can change 운동하다. 운동해보세요. Try to work out. Any word that you want to say, like 가다, 가보세요. Try to go there. 먹다, 먹어보세요. Try to eat it. It's really good. So, this is how you use 보다, 어보다, 해보다 grammar. So, as this 보다 is in the sentence, things become a little soft. So that's whole about this. All right, next one with bottom letters. So same example, but has a bottom letter. So 먹다, to eat. And we have now 어보다. We have this 어. If you remember how we conjugate present tense polite, then this is a piece of cake. You just put this 어보다 or 보다, 해보다. That's it. Nice, everyone. Sarika, 운전해보세요. 공부해보세요. 삼겹살을 요리해보세요. 인도에 와보세요. All correct. Perfect. I think I don't even have to explain more. Alright, then let's change this part. Like, the last part here, right? Alright, in this book, we only have, okay. We only have this polite and wanted to and do it grammar here, right? And let's change something else. All right, here. Obviously, here's the irregular, and that's the same, right? The vowels ending with a or o. Then we want to use 보다. I'm sure you already know it if you've been in this class with me. Okay. This time we want to add this guy, LKO. LKO. What was this? Does anyone know? Please type. What was LKO? Will. Nice one, sir. So let's add will this time. 찾다 is to look for, to find. 보다 should be added. 보다. And this time, LK요. 찾아볼게요. 찾아볼게요. Alright, this 찾다 is find, 보다 is try, and LK요 is will. So I will try to find it. Does that make sense? Right. So, perfect. 강아지를 찾아볼게요. Right, Sarika. 찾아볼게요. So, add anything you want at the first place. I will try to find this book. I'll try to find this person. I'll try to find that car. Whatever you want. Okay, and next one, we have 엘까요? What was this mean? 엘까요? What was this grammar? Alright, Sarika, if you want to add this 가, you have to say this person. 제가 열쇠를. So every time you want to say 을을 should be used. 열쇠를 찾아볼게요. 돈을 찾아볼게요. 가방을 찾아볼게요. 남자친구를 찾아볼게요. So who's the one that will try to find the boyfriend? I am the one. Then you use 이 or 가. So remember when you use 이 and 가, it's time when you say like I'm the one who is blah blah. The part. That's the time when you have to use it and then okay. Alright. I was asking this 엘까요? What was 엘까요? I can smell that you're looking for the book. 은하, suggestion? Well, I like that approach too, but I mean, if it works for you, then it's fine. But if you make it a little faster, then memorize this. Oh, this 알까요 is like, oh, it's shall we? Then it will be faster whenever you actually to speak. Yes. So suggestion, like there are a lot of suggestions, like blah 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 blah. Right? But 엘까요 is shall we? So as we know, oh, 엘까요 is shall we? So then, oh, this grammar will be like, shall we try blah blah, right? So it's not like suggestion will be blah blah. Suggestion try. That's gonna make your head like mixed. So follow me. All right, 엘까요 was shall we? So this word this time 얘기하다. Talk. 보다. Try. 까요. Shall we? Shall we try to talk? 얘기하다. 하다 becomes 해. 얘기해. 보다. Get rid of 다. And 엘까요. 얘기해 볼까요? 얘기해 볼까요? Shall we try to talk? Nice, Millie. Ah, I didn't know you were here. Millie. 같이 요리를 해볼까요? Perfect. 얘기해 볼까요? 산에 올라가 볼까요? Perfect. Everyone. Excellent. That's what I'm talking about. Right. 카페에서 커피를 마셔볼까요? Right. And nice. Everyone. Perfect. Seriously. 같이 식당에 가볼까요? 운전을 해볼까요? Zero mistakes. Alright. So, if you just get rid of yo in that, then it's just casual talking to your friends. 운전을 해볼까? 식당에 가볼까? 마셔볼까? 산에 올라가 볼까? Like that. I'm happy that that my resource is working for you guys. Yeah, these are the most common grammar with 보다, 어보다, 해보다. So, Barbara, how difficult? Well, this is not difficult at all because we've been studying here like almost every day. So please come catch up because I record everything here and then I put it on my YouTube channel. So come follow me from unit 1. So if you keep doing this, like what unit now today? 45? If you keep doing this 45 times, this is a piece of cake, seriously. All right. And let's see what else we can use. All right. So this one. Look. 고 있다. What's this? Does anyone know what 고 있다 was? Do not answer like, oh, it's present continuous. All right. Nice. Perfect. Wonder. That's the answer I wanted. ing. That's ing, right? All right. So, uh, let's use this one with this word. 고치다. 고치다 was to fix. All right. Now, please make a sentence. 고치다, 보다, 고있다, 어요. What is it? Perfect. 네. 고쳐보고 있어요. 보고, no space. Well, 고쳐 space, 보고, no space. Alright, 고쳐보고 있어요. You can say that. I am doing it. I am trying it now. I'm trying to fix it right now. Perfect. 저는 자전거를 고쳐보고 있어요. Trying to fix it. Perfect. So in this time, you're doing something, but you cannot use this present tense polite as I am doing it now. So for example, 지금 고쳐봐요. No, you can use it as ing. So please use this 고 있다. Okay, next one. 는 중이다. What is this? In the middle of. Perfect. Right. So if you say 고치다 보다 는 중이다 예요. Perfect, Sarik. You're fast. 고쳐보는 중이에요. I'm in the middle of trying to fix something. Pass. Next one. Past tense. Oh, sorry. Oh, I already mentioned. Dang it. Let's conjugate this. 먹다. 어보다 past tense. 먹어봤어요. Perfect. Sorry, doesn't this sound familiar? 먹어봤어요? What was this? 먹어봤어요. Correct. What was that? Does anyone remember this? We studied 2-3 days ago. Right, yesterday we studied. This was, I have eaten that before. I have done before, right? So, 먹어봤어요. This is, now you know how it works. So because this is, I tried eating. This means I have tried eating. Experience, right? I've done it before. I've tried it. So that's why this was that. I've done something before. Perfect. Now you know how it works. Okay. And this time, Unit 19, end part. Cool. So you're wondering if this food is delicious or not. And the cook says, try it, then say something. 먹다, 어보다, try to eat it, and 고, talk, then say it. 얘기하다. Alright, sorry, let's forget about that. Let me change that. So you cooked for somebody, and this is the situation. You cooked, and your partner is wondering if the food is going to be good or no. And you are saying, oh, please try to eat it and tell me. You want to say that? Try it, then tell me. Nice, Winter. Nice. 먹어보고, 먹다, 어보다, and 고, right? So 먹어보고, you eat, you try, then tell me. Tell me is like 말하다. 얘기하다 is talk, right? So 먹어보고 말해주세요. Please tell for me if it's good or bad. Nice one. Sorry, because I changed the word. Like, makes you get confused. But, perfect. 은하. That's what I wanted to say. 먹어보고 말해주세요. How about this? If we use so, this was in unit 20. So, I have tried it, so I know. I have eaten it, so I know. 먹다, 어보다, 아서. This was so, right? 아서, and I know. 니까, we're not using 니까 SR, we're using 서, 어서, 해서. Wanter, very close. Nikki, wrong. 먹어, 보서 알아요? 먹어, 봐서 알아요. 봐서, sorry, got correct. 먹어 봤어서 은하, you can never conjugate past tense with 서, 어서, 해서. That was the rule. But these days, young people, they use that, like past tense with 서, 어서, 해서. Which is wrong, but people use it these days, and it's understandable. Wanter, 먹어봐서 알아요. That's exactly what I want. So it's a good, this learning today unit 45 lesson because we can study all over, right? How about this one, unit 21? There is but grammar, which is 는데, right? How about I have tried, but, right? How do you say I have tried, but? Should be past tense this time. 먹어, no, wrong. 먹어봤는데, sorry, got it right. I have tried, sorry, we are all talking about this eat word, right? 먹어봤는데, how was it? It was good. I tried it and it was good. I tried it, but it was good. Yeah, it's just Korean expression, right? This 는데, this but is used kind of strangely in Korean. Right. 먹어봤는데 맛있었어요. And it was good. That's how you use this. Naturally. 먹어봤는데 별로였어요. It was not so good. 먹어봤는데 맛없었어요. Sorry, 맛없었어요. It was not good. Peace, we're not doing 니까 right now. 먹어보니까 어땠어요? That's correct though. Let's do it a little later. Please wait. 유나, sorry, 먹어봤는데 맛있었어요. 먹어봤는데 맛이 없어요. Both are correct. 먹어봤는데 별로였어요. Perfect, Millie. All right, this time in Unit 22, be going to grammar. What was be going to? And this time we want to say, I'm gonna try to eat it. 할 거예요, right? Perfect. So how would you say, I'm gonna try to eat it? So, 먹다 plus 어보다 plus 엘 거예요. 먹어볼 거예요. Perfect. Sorry, Kat. Nice. So we're just using this 먹다 word as default so that we can all understand and remind the grammar points that we have studied before. All right, so basically almost everything we can use. How about this one? Not sure if you guys remember this grammar. Then. What was this? Then. It's in Unit 26. This is 고 나서. Sorry, I had to just type this 고 나서 first and ask you what this means in English. I should change it. All right. So 고 나서 this time, which was then in Unit 26. All right, let's use this. 후회하다. I'm gonna give you this new word for you. 후회하다. This means regret. I tried to eat something then I regret it. How would you say that? No piece, there's 보다, 어보다, and missing, and you're doing something that I'm not doing. So please just follow me, okay? Use 고 나다, 고 나서, and 먹다, 어보다, 고 나서, and 후회하다. 먹어보고 나서 후회했어요. Perfect. 저는 먹어보고 나서 후회해요. Yeah, I regret. That makes sense, but you know, that's something that you usually do. Yes, 먹어보고 나서 후회했어요. I tried it, then I regret it. Past tense. Alright, let's see what YP said. 책을 읽고 돌려주세요. 책을 읽다 is to read, right? 돌려주다 is a return. So let's use that. 책을 then, you read then, please return it to me. How would you say it? 읽다, 어보다, 고 나서, and 돌려주세요. 책을 읽보고 나서 no want to try again. 읽 has a bottom letter. Sarika, you did half. You gave up. 어려워요. 책을 읽어보고 나서 perfect. then 돌려주세요. Give me back. 책을 읽어보고 나서 돌려주세요. Perfect. Okay, this time. Well, of course, we can use next and after, which was in Unit 26. After you eat it, please, after you try it, please let me know. Next to you try it, please let me know. You can do that too. Mm. And this time, Unit 27, there is before. We want to say this sentence. Oh, sorry, I forgot. So, what was 기 전에? No, Nikki, 기 전에. 기 space 전에, Luis. All right, this was before. Let's conjugate. Let's make this sentence. how do you know before you try it? Which means, how do you know before you try to eat it? And I'm gonna give you hint. 먹다, 보다, 기 전에. How do you know is 어떻게 알아요, right? So combine them all. 먹어보기 전에 어떻게 알아요? Nice, excellent, Millie, 은하. Spacing was excellent. Sarika, 먹어보기 전에 어떻게 알아요? Nice. Alright, Piers, you're talking about something different again. Oh my god. Alright. So, that's how you use this. How about this one? This time, same, unit 27, we have 는 동안. What was 는 동안? During. Right. Nice, nice. During or while, right? Both are fine. Uh, let's make this sentence this time. While I'm trying to eat it, please clean up. So, 먹다, 보다, 는 동안, please clean it is 청소하세요. Combine them all. 먹어보는 동안 청소하세요. Right. 청소하세요. Perfect. Yeah, once you can say that. 먹어보는 동안 청소해주세요. Nice. And Unit 20, almost every grammar that we have studied, we can use this with 보다, 보다, 해보다 grammar. Because, like I said, this 보다, 보다, and 해보다 makes all other grammar soft. How about this one? Does anyone notice this grammar? 자마자? What was this? It's in Unit 28. As soon as. Correct. Alright, then let's say, as soon as I tried it, I knew it. So as soon as I tried eating it, I knew it. 먹다, 보다, 자마자. I knew it is 알았어요. No is perfect. 먹어보자마자 알았어요. Nice, everyone. See, this could be easy. I mean, but very useful because it works with almost every grammar. Okay, so try to make sentences, each grammar and each sentence. I'm glad you're enjoying it, Nikki. See, this looks kind of crazy, but once you do it, then it's there, You can definitely do this. Everyone, you guys are doing awesome today. Yeah, so this is everything, and I want to show you the exercise page. Hang on, just give me 1 second. We're in 45. Like I said, I'm sure none of books teach like this. This is just my unique way, and I see it's working now, so I'm happy. You know, okay, this is the exercise page. And as you can see here, a lot of them with bottom letter, hada word, and no bottom letters. And just conjugate it with present tense polite, like we practiced today. 1 to 2 grammar with, and do it grammar, which is 세요, right? And allowed to grammar, 해도 돼요. And shall we, 할까요? And will, 할게요. So with a lot of grammar, so you can practice a lot. So, alright, Una, what's the question? Where is it? Can we say 먹어봐야 돼요? Yes, you can do that. You have to try it. You have to try to eat it, right? That makes total sense. See now, like you can do it on your own. You don't have to have me here, or you don't have to study with this stupid book with only, right? You can just make your own sentence. That's the whole point about my project. You have to make your own sentences on your own, correct it, fix it, create it, just do whatever you want. And even though people saying like, oh, that's not something we usually say, and just forget it. Oh, this is my own language. Don't worry about it. Hmm. But basically, we have to have this, structure, right? After the structure, you design your language. So even this expression, I'm talking about this, you design your language. Does this expression exist in English? I don't think so. I've never heard of that before. But I just create it, right? And you understand. And that's all. So you can play with the language in your study. Right, Nikki? That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, all right, so of course, this is your homework. You have to finish this all, and then, like, after you do this all, and you feel not enough, and you want to challenge more, then conjugate every grammar point in this book with 보다, 어보다, and 해보다. Vocabs? I don't know. It's up to you. You can create your own, and I don't know. Are you going to grade my homework for me? Yes, yeah, of course I will. I cannot be always there. That's why. I checked it already yesterday, but I was just working too hard and getting tired, and it was like 3 a.m. and a nice movie was on the TV, so I could not stop watching that movie. And I was like, oh, let me just grade this later. But then this morning I woke up and got a class to teach today, and I'm like, oh, let's do it all later. Sorry about that. Yeah, we'll do it definitely. Because I'm gonna cook something and eat something, then go to this study cafe to work, and there when I feel okay, I'll do that. 어떤 영화를 봤어? To be honest, I don't memorize these titles of movies. I watch plenty of movies every day, but I don't remember any of that. Uh, because this is random movies like on TV, like, this channel OCN or like some like indie movies, something like that. Um, can I ask your, can I ask you a name of this book? Yeah, it's Korean grammar for speaking. I mean, I'm the author of the book, and if you just check out my profile or my comment on HelloTalk, you're gonna see a lot. That's right. Yeah, we have Korean grammar for speaking 1 and 2 and 3 is I'm working on it, and yeah, too much. Yeah, I'm thinking of writing this Chinese book and Spanish book, but I don't think I'm gonna write them in Korean. I think I'm gonna write them all in English. Thank you, Wanter from Singapore. Now I see you're from Singapore, not Indonesia. Oh, 100 people visited this room today. Hmm. So do you guys have any questions? Reading translation? Well, mm, I would say yes at the beginning, but no later. You definitely need to translate what this person or what you are saying. You have to know what you're saying, but then a little later, you have to forget. You should not, you should stop translating what you say or what other people say. Can you do my homework? They can. That's brilliant. You're a genius. All right, if you have any more questions, please come to my what is it? This language group on HelloTalk. We have this group chat, so you can join and ask me questions about this Korean language, or you can just share your things. But we only use Korean there. I mean, sometimes English. So, hmm. Yeah, just send me a message to join the group. Well, Nikki, here I'm saying it. No. In Spanish people, they say no. English, no. You have to know this difference. While you go cry on the floor or stairs, on the roof, I don't care, Nikki. I can imagine like your laughing sound. I mean, I feel like I'm hearing it. All right, and thank you for everything. I mean, everyone joining. What is it? This thing, and I'll tomorrow is Sunday, so I think I might be off, but I'll let you know if I can do it. But usually Sunday's off. Mm, mm, Let's see next week. ありがとうございます。勉強になりました。ピースさん。うん。だったらいいですね。これ毎日やってるんで、もう参加してくださいね。うんうん。で、もうすぐ多分来週ぐらい、多分来月ぐらいから、日本語でも教えてるんで、ぜひ参加してください。はいはい。うん。でも多分そのクラスは、ハングルの読み方から始めるんで、初心者のレベルですから、多分ピースさんには合わないんじゃないかなと。でも、19ぐらいになったらぜひ。初心者じゃないみたいですね。全然。これぐらいになったら中級者だと言えると思いますね。じゃあ、皆さん、また。I'll see you guys later next week. Alright? Please finish your homework, share your homework, I'll check your homework. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. It's really cold, so don't catch a cold like me.